Hey guys, Michael with Quiet Lawn here. So continuing our series here, we came to the circumstances that got us to starting a lawn care business, the reasons why that I wanted to start that, the benefits of a lawn care business. So I decided upon that. I started the lawn care business for all those reasons. And my ultimate goal from the beginning was to work myself out of the business like I basically have now. So started the business, hey, this is going to be awesome. I'm going to be rich soon. I'm going to be traveling all the time while my business is running itself. This is going to be wonderful. Very quickly from early on, I got a hard reality check. This is going to be harder than I thought. I was marketing, I was putting out postcards, but I wasn't very good. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to market. How do I get customers? I was growing. I was getting some customers, but not nearly as many as I expected. I was having to do all the different roles in my business. I was having to do the work itself when I would sell a customer. I was having to run the office, answer the phones, which I was terrible at. Maybe you are too. People would be calling me, and I might not call them back for a day if I called them back at all. How do I sell? How do I go sell the work? How am I confident in my skills to be able to sell the work? How do I hire when I get to that point? When do I hire? How do I, first feed myself, feed my family? All this stuff, all these questions you have, all these challenges you have when you start your business, and you realize that skill you had, the technical skill of mowing lawns, was the smallest component in the business. All this other stuff that you didn't know about, or you didn't think about, or you didn't really understand until you were in the middle of it, all that reality started to hit. So I started looking like, hey, I can't do all this myself. It's going to be very hard for me to grow this business by myself, and I wasn't planning on it. The whole goal was to eventually replace myself in the business. So I started to look at what I'm good at. What role do I want to have, and what role do I need to hire out first? So what am I good at, and what am I not good at? What I arrived at was that I am terrible at the office work. So I'm not very good at the, handling all the estimates, keeping all this stuff organized, answering phones, selling over the phone, stuff like that. The first thing I need to do, the first role I need to replace now that my business is growing in the first year or two, is I need to find someone to take that stuff off my shoulders so that I can focus on doing the work, being in the field, and then worry about that role later. So the next video I'm going to talk about, how I've hired this person to take over those roles, and then progress from there to slowly get myself out of the business.